What about thinking ahead for the future? What is the best way to future-proof a cloud data center?
Well, that's a question we get a lot from clients because that's the hardest question to answer. But what we really like to engage with is looking at a roadmap, an application roadmap, a technology roadmap, a physical design roadmap that's all harmonized across the board. So obviously this requires getting started early, having a cross-functional team, and as best as possible making provisions for future applications and future requirements. So a couple of things we like to talk to clients about. Maybe day one your budget or your business applications don't dictate an intelligent infrastructure layer one, but making provisions for that, thinking if it's a possibility in the future, building that type of capability in, easing the migration plan, not doing a complete rip and replace. For example, we see a lot of opportunities for cooling infrastructure, passive cooling infrastructures, whether it's hot L containment, cold L containment, that customers, if they provision up front, if they try to future-proof, maybe today the kilowatts per cabinet doesn't require that, but they know the roadmap's going to get there in 3 to 5 years, plan for that. Build the infrastructure, have the design that can bring that capacity planning on board and extend the life of that data center. So whether it's what we call a pre-configured approach, where you can bring things in holistically, or modular approach, building blocks that helps you control your predictability for performance, your footprint, your cost, and also your capacity planning, as well as I talked about intelligent infrastructure. Maybe day one might not be in the budget, but if you think going forward capacity planning is something you need, thinking through that, having those conversations, and building in some passive infrastructure that can be migrated seamlessly to an intelligent infrastructure, which we do provide, is a great way to start future-proofing data centers for cloud deployments today and beyond.